Television actress Sanchita Ugale's death has shocked the entertainment industry and triggered widespread discussion about mental health, industry pressures, and the circumstances surrounding her passing. The television industry is still trying to come to terms with the sudden death of actress Sanchita Ugale, best known for her roles in Kumkum Bhagya, Wagle Ki Duniya, Dilwale Dulha Le Jayenge, and her appearance in Chhawa. On June 14, Sanchita was found dead at her residence in Nalasopara East, triggering an investigation and raising several questions. Now, almost 3 days later, here are 5 biggest verified updates that we have in this case so far. Update 1. No suicide note recovered. According to police officials, Sanchita was at her home in Nalasopara East when the incident occurred. Family members reportedly discovered her inside her bedroom and immediately rushed to a nearby hospital, where doctors declared her dead. Police officials who inspected the residence said no suicide note was recovered from the scene. An accidental death report or ADR has been registered, and investigators are now examining all available evidence to determine the circumstances leading up to her death. Update 2. Her father and brother had alleged harassment. The investigation took a new turn after Sanchita's father, Machindra Ugale, publicly alleged that his daughter has been facing harassment before her death. Speaking to media outlets, he claimed that Sanchita was under severe mental stress and that certain individuals were allegedly troubling her and demanding money. According to him, the pressure has significantly affected her mental well-being. These allegations are now a part of broader investigation, and the police have not yet publicly confirmed any findings related to those claims. Update 3. Friends say that she was battling with depression. Several people close to actress has spoken about her mental health struggles. Actress Megha Sharma, who worked with Sanchita, told media organization that the actress had been undergoing treatment for depression for several months. Despite this, friends say that she remained passionate about acting and continued attending audition and professional meetings. Her co-star Saurabh Bedi also expressed shock over the incident, revealing that he had spoken to Sanchita shortly before her death and never imagined such a tragedy would occur. Update 4. The allegation against co-star Ujjwal Sharma have emerged. The case intensified after actress and close friend Indrakshi Kanjilal made allegation involving one of Sanchita's co-star. According to Indrakshi, Sanchita has allegedly been facing difficulties related to a financial dispute involving actor Ujjwal Sharma. She claimed that the actress had been emotionally distressed over the matter. It is important to note that these allegations made by a friend after Sanchita's death. Authorities have not publicly verified these claims and the investigation remains ongoing. Update 5. Demands for a deeper investigation. Family members and industry bodies are now demanding a more detailed probe into the case. Sanchita's cousin Akash Satish Ugale have reportedly urged investigators to examine the digital trail surrounding the actress, including the social media accounts that he found suspicious. Meanwhile, All India Cine Workers Association has written to Maharashtra's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis seeking a transparent and high-level investigation into the circumstances surrounding her death. As investigators continue to gather evidence, many questions remain unanswered. For now, the focus remains on establishing the facts and determining exactly what happened in the days and hours leading up to Sanchita Ugale's death. But what do you think about this whole tragedy? Comment below, and for more such content, make sure you subscribe to LPG Show.